In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to know if someone has blocked you on LinkedIn. Now, I know it can be quite frustrating when you suspect a connection has cut ties, and unlike social media platforms, LinkedIn doesn't offer a direct way to tell if someone has blocked you. But don't worry, while there's no specific notification or alert, I can share some effective tips to help you figure this out. First, if the person you suspect has blocked you was previously a part of your contacts, you might notice their absence when you scroll through your list of connections. To check this, navigate to My Network on LinkedIn. Once there, browse your connections list. If this person's profile no longer appears among your contacts, it could mean one of two things. Either they have removed you as a contact or they have blocked you entirely. Now, you might be wondering how to differentiate between being removed as a contact and being blocked. Here's a simple method. Try searching for their name in the LinkedIn search bar. If their profile doesn't appear in the search results, it's very likely that they have blocked you. In contrast, if they had simply removed you as a contact, their profile would still appear during a search, but you'd no longer have the connection status. To give you an example from my experience, I did a little experiment with two tutorial accounts. I blocked one account using the other. After the block was in place, whenever I tried to search for the blocked account, it didn't show up at all. This confirmed my suspicion and should give you a clearer understanding of how blocking works on LinkedIn. It's important to note that if the person wasn't part of your contacts to begin with, it will be challenging to determine if they've blocked you. However, if you're certain that the person has an active LinkedIn account and yet, despite your searches, you're unable to locate them, it's a strong indicator that they might have chosen to block you. While not being able to directly see who has blocked you can be less than satisfying, these tips provide a useful workaround. The key is to observe changes in your contact list and conduct a thorough search if you suspect someone may have blocked you. Keep in mind that LinkedIn, like many other platforms, tries to keep these actions private to preserve the privacy and comfort of its users. I hope this guide has provided you with clarity and the tools to understand your LinkedIn interactions better. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and as always, happy networking.